Let's run the process. You sneeze when something irritates your nasal lining. Dust, pepper, pollen, or random debris. Sensory nerve endings detect it and send a signal down the trigeminal nerve to your brain. Your brainstem, the medulla oblongata, launches the reflex. Then your diaphragm drops, your intercostal muscles clamp your ribs, your soft palate shuts the back door to your mouth, your eyes auto-close, pressure spikes, and boom, runway clears through your nose, ejecting irritants at high speed. Basically, your nose screams so you don't have to. Your body's not glitching, that it's just protecting you like antivirus. Subscribe for more body reactions.